This is not actually a full episode, but this is rather the special episode of IMOHA Podcast. No, this is not the edited version of our recording. Part of my commitment actually of this podcast is that I need to upload the weekly episode. No, kabalugin mo na since from the start na dyan ko'y weekly episode. But because of these unwanted happenings of our family, no, dili ko ba ka-upload o full episode. Same na wala ko naka-upload atong newsletter atong Monday. It's because usa sa mo ang direct family na matay lang atong Monday, no. Muna ta itong panahon na maghimo kog newsletter. But since ako ang direct person nga ning tabang sa ako ang uncle, mas giuna na ako na pagtabang sa iya rather than making those newsletter and the episode. And I think halos kita tanan sa inana sa siguro atong buhaton, no. Because of these modern diseases that cause us actually these global challenges, no. Diha siya na ego. And kabalo na mo sa pangalan na dila na ako na siya i-mention, no? But di na siya na-ego, and I'm guessing nakakuha siya sa new variant karon, no, kana siyang disease. And because I'm the direct person nga tabang sa iyaha during his last breaths, ako gyapon siyang gi-resuscitate, no. I still perform the CPR and also the mouth-to-mouth resuscitation bisag kabalo ko na mataktan ko siyang sakit, no. I think and somehow we need to make decisions, you know. I know that was a bad decision or maybe a good decision, I don't know, but somehow we need to make the decisions, you know. Because I cannot lose him, you know. I need to save him, you know. At least ako alang makababawan nga mo save ko siya. No, tunggi CPR gyapon ako siya, no. And I think just deal with the disease later na lang. I don't know kung positive ako o dili ba, no. But now I'm in a quarantine and I'm waiting for my swab result, no, kung unsa mo gihatag sa Ginoo sa mo atin hin, and the destiny unsa may gihatag aning bagong sakit na to karon, then I think I'll just take it, no. Sa katong mga listeners gina ko from the start, no, kabalogin mo na positive ko ato last year, year 2020, the same months na positive ko ani siyang August, somewhere late July, last week of July until August. And that was actually my worst days because dili jud ko ginawa atong panahon na nako tanang mga symptoms, no. But for now wala pa mong heavy symptoms, na lang ko mga ubo ginagmay, but dili gid siya heavy symptoms, no. And right now since 2021 na nasa kuani in the same situation and dealing with this kind of fight na sad, and I don't know, no. So please don't take this one as a goodbye message or the last episode of the IMOHA Podcast. Is because I'm coming back yapon, no. I'm still dealing with this one. I just need to deal with these important things right now sa among family, no. I think makasabot agad mo na, and salamat sa pagsabot na. And ano lang, mag-ingat-ingat lang mo, and I'm hoping to upload a fresh episode next Wednesday, but if not, then I will make it till I can, no. Buhaton lagi ako kung sa akong makaya. So kung kamo magalit na minaw ka ani, no, ani na episode or this special episode, please do me a favor, no. Pag-amping-amping ka per me, and amping-amping gyud ang imong mga loved ones, because every life counts. And because you know, I always love you. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye for now.